This is my car, how it sounds up on startup. This is the before. This is, there you go.
See how true you get stuck. It's your.
This is the after. All right, here's a little sound clip. Go ahead. Lauren.
Yep.
All right, been driving my car now for about 20 minutes or so. From the inside of the cabin, there's no resonance or vibration or anything. It doesn't really sound any louder in here. I think it sounds a little bit louder and raspier from the exhaust tip, but inside there's no droning or anything. I think once I do the catless downpipe, I think keeping the stock muffler on will be better so it's not overly loud and a little bit more free flowing. So as of right now, like I said, in the car, doesn't sound too bad, doesn't sound any louder. From the outside, it sounds a little more raspy. If anything, it increases a little bit of airflow. But if you want to make up your mind whether you just want to do a resonator delete, a muffler delete, or both, just know that just doing the resonator delete would be pretty much quiet. It's almost like just keeping it in sport mode. All right, guys, catch you later.